Like so much stuff is just happening, one right after the other, and I want to spend time with you, God, but it just seems like I'm preoccupied. I need you.
Lord, please forgive me. I'm preoccupied, too busy for the lost. The word you gave, I keep it locked inside. I see the sheep walking, I witness not to them, believe I'm lost, and say nothing of clinging to the master's cross. I know I should be reading. Lord, what am I thinking? My son, come pray to me. Hold up, solo stone is ringing. It's this chick for me, she bad like she baby kids. I'm wishing more than once, but needing it like Ray J did. Hold up, let me pray, so I could stay on track. My mind is running wild, I forgot your name, I'll call you back. God, you gotta help, please intervene. I'm trying to pray, but seeing chicks in apple bottom jeans. I go and take a walk to get my thoughts cleared. 10 minutes later, it's this chick I used to see appear. My God, I'm about to fall in cages and get locked inside, all because I filled my flesh and told you I'm preoccupied.
I looked and saw the other day, hey. One lost, but I looked the other way, hey. I don't know why I did it.
Wait, yes I do.
I was preoccupied with me and didn't notice you. I guess I'm busy, way too busy. If my life is interfering with you living in me, I know it's sad to say, but hey, I'm coming clean. All the while I thought it was Satan, it was really me. It was me who blocked you, me who stopped you, me who put myself on, man, it's gotta stop. I can't go on with all of me inside, I need more. Don't wanna be preoccupied, I don't wanna live my life too busy, forever making moves, but rolling on empty. I gotta do your will, Lord, in spite of my own desire. I repent, Lord, I was preoccupied. I don't wanna live my life too busy, forever making moves, but rolling on empty. I gotta do your will, Lord, in spite of my own desire. I repent, Lord, I was preoccupied. I'm sick of this, I feel like I'm stuck. Man, I'm steady making moves, but I ain't moving much. My life is filled with stuff, but I ain't doing much. I know the word works, but I ain't using much. I gotta cut some stuff, maybe cut some me. But if I cut some me, then where will I be? Then I heard him speak.
You don't need to be, just let me live, and in me, that's when I'll let you be.
Man, that's simple, almost too easy. All this time I'm gluing pieces instead of using Jesus. In him is where I rest at, in him is where my best at, in him is where my strength is, that's why the devil tests that.